Hello friends, we'll be understanding the steps when or rather in case of no separate books being maintained. As you know that we have already understood what are the steps that we have to follow when separate set of books are supposed to be maintained. Let's understand what exactly we have to do when none of the co-venturers keep separate set of books. That means a joint venture is prepared, or rather the transactions that are related to themselves are being maintained by them. That means no separate set of book being maintained. In such case, what are the steps that we need to follow? Let's figure that out. So when no separate set of books are maintained in such a scenario, each record or each joint venture transaction is being recorded by each and every co-venturer. So whatever transactions are being done by them and the venture transactions are recorded by every co-venturer. In such a case, a memorandum joint venture account is also prepared. Now, when the parties to the contract, or rather when we talk about the co-ventures, if they are maintaining only their own records, that means how much goods they have supplied, how much goods they have received, only that record has been kept. In such a case, memorandum joint venture account is prepared by the parties. However, the other transactions remain the same. That means whatever other dealings we used to do when it came to separate set of books being maintained there, all the scenario will be transferred here. Only a memorandum joint venture account will be kept separate. Now, related to this, there will be certain journal entries that will be able to understand, and based on that, we'll be solving the next illustrations down here. So, this is what we have to explain when it comes to no separate set of books being maintained by the co-venturers. Make sure this is one of the important update where memorandum joint venture account is prepared only in the case if all the co-ventures are recording only their own transactions and not every other co-venture transactions. There will be one more case whereby co-venture records transactions of other co-ventures also. So that will be another part that will be explaining forward, but right now this is only when they record their own transactions. So let's make sure the journal entries are passed on accordingly and we understand the journal entries in the next few videos. So thank you for watching this. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and keep subscribing to Ekeeda.